How far did Daniel say is?
We're going fishing.
We're going fishing.
He's like 5 minutes out, and we're going to Lake Castaic to have a fish-a-thon for Saturday, fun day, January activities. We have fun with our friends.
It's opposite, it's opposite. Hold up.
Friends.
Talks, beers, we got it. We got it all. We're ready.
Justin just ate my leftover Domino's buffalo chicken pizza. It's pretty good. And we have 80 caterpillars. I accidentally bought double what I usually do. So there's 80, but that just means 80 butterflies to be released into the wild. We're gonna have to have like a butterfly release party or something. I don't know. Oh, I have so much dead hair too. It's okay. I'm gonna make sure I vlog today. I'm on my good behavior. Going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship.
Yes, she's ready. A little dirty, but...
No, your car's actually beautiful, in fact. Oh, I love. It's gonna be such a fun day.
What's up, Caitlin's vlog? Where are we going? We're going to Lake Castaic, and we're gonna catch some fish. And we're not gonna eat them because we don't know how clean the lake is. But we're gonna get fish tacos after, like in solidarity with the fish that we didn't catch. We have our Uber driver, Austin.
Yo.
And that's pretty much it. We'll check in once we get the boats. We don't know. I don't think any of us have fished in like, what, 15 years?
No, I've fished pretty recently.
No, he hasn't.
So it's really windy here, and they're only renting boats for the next 5 minutes, or else you can't go on the lake because wind.
We've got 5 minutes to get out on that water, and we're gonna do it.
Crickets. Like, actually, we're the only to the lake.
Listen, Bash should be late for a reason, because I caught 3 fish on the way and just...
It's gonna be great.
Doesn't like retract motorcycle boats. Just always be cautious of that. Is that right?
It's opposite, it's opposite, it's opposite.
Hold up. I do not feel good about this.
Wait, slow and steady what?
Wins the race.
We're driving the boat.
We're driving the boat.
Alright, I'm gonna cast. Ready? Honestly, wasn't bad, huh? Let's make sure we're all standing on the same side.
Putter putter. I love.
I'm crushing these casts.
Yeah, no, that was really good.
I'm crushing these casts. I'm good at these casts. I take this tag off.
It is?
Is there a set time limit, or did we? Till 4. Oh, we booked him till 4?
Yeah.
That's a long ass fucking time, dude.
I am gonna kiss a fish.
Here. Daniel, how much for you to stick your toe in that fish? $0. I'll do it for free.
You getting all my B-roll?
I love it, huh?
Oh yeah. The best update. You're doing good though. No fish. Just vibes. Right.
Hey Siri, how do I catch a fish?
A good swing. Yeah. Ooh!
Got it. I'm convinced there's no fish in this lake.
Yeah, reel that bitch in.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You got it though.
Woo! Yeah.
Choke up.
Oh. No, I got it.
We're up there in rain. We want our money back. Also, it was a final.
These motherfuckers.
Yeah, he said they were gonna. He knew we weren't gonna do anything.
Justin is getting a fish. You got it.
No, dude, you might have a fish.
Am I? Do I?
No, I think you might have a fish, bro.
It would be moving.
Something about our boat. We're just chill as cucumbers today.
Daniel's the most chill.
It's so just pretty.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
I want to drink.
Want to drink? Are you not drinking?
Yeah, to enjoy jam.
Dry jam. Yeah.
Like literally.
Focus.
Focused. Do you smoke at all? Back from Monaco.
Should I tie it up on the other side? Yeah.
Drew honestly killed it, so you got some competition.
Are you a host or a server? Server.
Oh yeah, please.
Just drink it.
Drank it.
Yeah.
Cheers, everybody, to a wonderful evening.
That's what she. You guys are all gonna get veneers?
For sure.
Really?
I want them now. Yeah.
But like, don't they have to shave down your normal teeth?
Yeah, they like shave them down to be like, yeah, you never see them.
But then your veneers don't like come out?
No.
No.
They stay.
Jack-o'-lantern.